Hey guys, SLO County Observer got arrested in Santa Cruz. The link is in the description. Please go to his channel, like, share, and subscribe. Another dismal video of public officials reacting on their own will rather than the law.
Are you recording us?
Yeah.
You're not allowed to record us, sir.
So we're going to ask you to leave.
What?
We're going to ask you to leave.
Why?
We're admonishing you, otherwise we're going to go ahead and cite you up. As long as you're not in disrupting business, you're completely fine.
Okay. This is a perfectly legal activity, what I'm doing.
Yep. And I agree.
Okay.
We confirmed it started, so you're all good.
The guys that just enforced the law just left and told me I'm fine to be here, so I don't...
Well, they
Do you want to like call them back or?
No, that's court security.
Okay.
So I'm the director of the court here.
Okay.
So I know the rules of the court.
Gotcha.
Regardless of what they may tell you. So.
As far as you say, you're fine.
Okay.
You're fine, dude. It's a public area.
All right, so I gotta wait around for the guy that said he was gonna go get the cops. Did you get that straightened out?
I did, and it's as I said. So.
It's what?
I said it, and it is as I said. You have to have a judge's order in order to be recording in the courthouse. So, are you refusing to stop recording?
Yeah.
Okay. So.
Can I get your name?
Yeah, I'll give you my business card.
Okay. I'm just here to gather information. I'm not
I don't know what you're getting
causing
at.
any...
Meeting clerk sometimes, but it doesn't give you any information at all.
Oh. Okay.
There you go. You have a form too.
Oh, here, no. I don't want the form, just the business card.
Okay.
Thanks.
You don't want to read up and you don't want to know the.
I don't need a media pass. This is free press. So,
What does that mean?
well, I mean,
If there are rules that apply to the press for recording in the courthouse, and you are part of the press as you claim, then they apply to you. It's not
Okay.
a First Amendment issue.
well, this is a government building.
There are restrictions on the First Amendment.
This is a government building, man. It's not the courthouse.
Restrictions on the First Amendment. It is a government building. The government has the
Public.
right to, and the government has the right to regulate its buildings.
So, I mean, the law enforcement people already came and said, I'm fine to do this.
I'm working with them.
But you want to like make them come back and tell you again, or?
I'm just following the rules.
Yep, you heard him correctly. I'm just following the rules. Well, the rules don't count, idiot. It's law that matters.
Okay, that's all I'm asking.
You're not though. You're just misinformed, man. I'm sorry.
I'm trying to give you the form so you can go and
Is
inform yourself.
this two copies of the same thing?
Yeah.
I'll just take one.
Okay. If you want to be informed, go read the rules.
Okay, for sure. So I'm gonna wait around until you get this straightened out, okay? I'll be right here. Yeah, have a good one, man.
So I think one of the deputies is going to come up and talk to you. I mean, part of the issue is here is just out of consideration for other people who come up and they have court business. It's really about them. It's not so much trying to protect the court, but it's trying to protect people who they're having a bad day here usually when they're here, and they probably don't want to be on camera, and they don't want other people to be seeing what's happening to them. Same thing in the court building. It's like we have jurors and other people who are here, not necessarily because they want to be here, but because they're brought here for some other reason, and then to have somebody just kind of coming in and videotaping them. Again, consider their right to privacy, their right to be able to come to a public place and have their business heard without having somebody video record it. It's just not very compassionate.
Now this fool is taking another angle. When he realizes that what SLO has told him is correct, his angle now is, you know what, let's go the compassionate angle. Man, this guy's a pure bitch.
or understanding their situation. So I just ask you to consider that. You know, you're in a situation because this is a county building where the deputies are a little bit at a loss of what to do. So you've accomplished that. But
I understand, you know, there might be feelings involved, but there's also rights and the law and stuff like that.
I get it. And there are, but there are.
If you can tell me I'm allowed to be here, if you can tell me that, I'll take off right now. If you succeed, I'll take off right now.
Yeah, I mean, I just gave you what I think is the rule of court that says.
I said it over there. I documented it all.
Okay.
So.
I mean, if you read it, I think it'll tell you that you can't.
That's to record courtroom proceedings.
No, but if you go in and you read the rule and you read what is defined as a courtroom, it would define both the entire court building. It talks about the entrances and the exits of the court building as well. So I think it covers.
Yep. So you said a deputy's coming?
Yeah, I think so.
You think so?
Yeah, he told me he was coming. So I mean, they're busy. They're trying to deal with. We have people in court that they're trying to deal with, and that's important.
Two of them already came though.
What's that?
Two of them already came and
I think the sergeant was going to talk to you.
Gave me the okay. I just want you to understand that.
Right, but again, I'm telling you that they're not always informed about rules of court. Like their job is generally to patrol and understand law as it pertains to, maybe what things you can bring into the courthouse. But sometimes there are things that they might not know or be aware of.
Ladies and gentlemen, here is another example of a public official just spewing the bullshit to fit his narrative.
Especially as you get patrol officers who rotate through here, they're not always experts on what happens in a courthouse.
Hey, shut up, you dumbass.
It's just kind of the way the sausage gets made. But,
all right, well, I'm trying to make you understand I'm allowed to do this. I'm allowed to be here. I understand people might get hurt about it, but I would have been gone by now if this interaction hadn't occurred,
Okay. Then
I asked a question. They got all offended, didn't answer my question.
But you're not allowed, that's a whole different law. You're not allowed to be video recording somebody else without their consent.
That's not true. Again, you're misinformed. If you're in public, there's no expectation of privacy in public. This is a public building, a government center.
What authority are you using for that?
No, that's just common knowledge, man. It's
common, but there's got to be some authority, right? There's got to be some legal authority that says
for the First Amendment. The First Amendment is the highest legal authority right there. Freedom of press.
There are limitations on the First Amendment.
Freedom of press is all you really need to know, man.
There are limitations on freedom of press.
Okay,
right?
Well,
you can't slander people. You can't be liable, right? You understand that as a member of the media.
I'm not doing that here.
So you understand there are limitations on what.
I understand that. Yes, and there are restricted areas.
So California
this is not
has
one
a
of them.
law that says you cannot video record people without their consent.
That's not true.
So we'll agree to disagree.
Okay.
But
so.
Hopefully, if you got what you needed, it'd be great if you just,
If you tell me I'm okay to record in here, I'll take off, man.
I don't think you will. Okay, so if I tell you you're okay to record in here, you'll leave?
But I want you to understand that I am, man. I'm okay to record in here. The two deputies already came and told you that. And you just don't like what I'm doing, so you're making up your own rules. And the way you interpret the law.
Gave you what rule I'm going on.
That's to film and record courtroom proceedings. And I've seen that, and I know that. MC 500, I know that.
It's an extension of the courthouse.
Gotcha, man. Okay, well, keep doing you. I'm going to hang around, I guess.
Hello.
Hey, how's it going, man? Did you get called over here?
I did.
Okay.
How's it going?
Okay. I just wish these guys would understand that this is a public building and I'm allowed to be here and record. So I've already talked to two deputies. They've cleared it with their
I'm
sergeant.
the boss here, yeah.
Okay.
I'm just wondering, what are you doing here?
Just recording. I was trying to show my audience the Santa Cruz Government Center. And I asked her a question and she didn't want to, she got all offended immediately, so.
You understand that she's serving like people that are coming here for court business, like.
I understand. I know her job.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. So if you had a question about a ticket or some court matter that you needed help with, she'd be happy to help you. You understand that? Okay, so.
Well, I'm assuming, but I mean, you're assuming that, but.
What's that?
You're assuming that.
Do you have your ID on you?
No.
Okay, I need to see some identification and get your identification.
Why?
Because you're in a public building and you're recording in here.
I'm not going to give you ID.
Okay. I need to, okay? For the purpose of, this could be a security issue later.
I'm not going to give you my ID, man.
Okay. Well, here's the deal. You're not going to give me your name or anything like that?
I'm waiting for the guy. I have business here with that guy in there.
Which guy?
The guy that, Tim Newman, whatever.
Yeah, he already talked to me.
This
He
guy.
wants me to arrest you. So I don't want to do that.
Okay.
Okay, so if you won't give me your name, you won't identify yourself, I'm going to ask you to leave the courthouse. Okay? Leave the government facility.
The government building.
Yeah. The government
I have business here. I'll leave the area, but I'm going to go upstairs and keep looking around.
What business do you have?
Gathering information.
Okay.
I need to know how to send my people to different places and locations inside this building.
Who are your people? What do you mean your people?
I'm not going to answer any more questions.
Okay, well then you need to leave the building.
I'll go with it. Are you going to escort me?
I need you to leave the building, okay?
What's going on? Why are
You want to
I
identify
have
yourself
business
real
here.
quick?
I don't need to identify myself
I have
to
a
you.
business too. and
I don't
have
need to
identify you.
identify myself to you.
You do.
No, I don't.
Yes, you
Actually, no, I don't.
do. I'm asking you to, and I have a right to ask for it.
Okay, you can ask for it. Go for it.
Okay, you need to leave the building. Hey, Rudy, you need to come over and help me with this one.
Can you back up, man? What's your
I'm not
deal?
backing up, I'm just waiting for you to leave the building. I'm gonna follow you till you leave. At this point, you're disrupting the government.
No,
facility.
you're disrupting my business here.
So here's the deal, I'm going to arrest you if you don't leave right now.
Have a great
Okay, then
For
I
what?
will get your identification.
Can you just tell me for what?
For disrupting a government building. I have the code right here. I can show
Okay,
it to you
go
after I
ahead and show
arrest
it
you.
to me.
I'm not gonna show it to you. I'll arrest you, then I'll show it to you. How's that? Your choice. Are you gonna leave? You need to leave? Right now?
What's your name?
I'll give you my card.
Okay,
and
yeah, let me
everything.
get your card.
No, I'll give you my card after we're done here. Let's
Give me
go.
your card and I'll leave.
Oh, sure, I'll give you the card.
I just need to know where to file a complaint. 5200 Soquel?
You can file a complaint. Here's my name.
And also a lawsuit, man. You're violating my First Amendment right now. I hope you know that Santa Cruz is open for a lawsuit now.
That's great. Good for you.
Dude, I have a lawyer on retainer, man.
Here you go. Here's my name.
That's your business card?
That's not. I don't have a business card on me right now. It's
Come
my
on,
name.
Inez.
Okay. You need to leave right now. Time to go.
Time to go. I'm leaving.
Turn around. Put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest. Let's go ahead and.
Yeah, direct search anything on me.
You're under arrest.
Well, guys, that was some bullshit. They kept me in there for about 5 hours. I was arrested for 148A and 6021.